Welcome back to the channel. Sorry about my little dirty mirror, but I came to you before with the actually I was calling this Esha, but it is Esha, the Esha lace firm glue. This is the firm one. I did a video on this a couple of days ago, so now I'm going to be doing the video on the Esha luxury wig fashion absolute. It's called Absolute Lace Bond glue. So this is the one that gives the very good hold, very long lasting hold. This one right here is the one that gives just a casual hold. So I tried this. This stayed on for like a day or two, but I'm going to be giving this one a chance today. So I don't want this video to be long. So what I'm going to do is take the 91% alcohol. I'm going to go ahead on and clean around my hairline. The wig I'm going to be using is the from the Janet collection. It's a handmade full lace wig. This wig was sent to me. It's a Utopia wig, and the color is a 1. This is full lace Utopia wig Remy. It's real human hair, and they give you this nice box with it. I already did the plucking and everything, so it has on there what to do, everything you need to do to get this wig together. Then they have stuff on here. This is a really nice box. You can use this box to store your wigs, or you can use it for anything else. And this is what the wig looks like. I already done cut the lace and plucked it and around the hairline. For anybody who want to get this wig, it has 2 combs here. It has a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. This is what the inside comes. This is how you get your lace. And I already put some foundation on it. Now when it does come, it will come actually boxed. So you do have to like really, you know, make it look the way you want it to look around your hairline. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead on and start the process with the glue. And I'm just going to just put it around my hairline. Okay, and they say to hold there for like a minute, so I'm gonna just hold it here for a minute. And already I feel the hold is like, wow. It's like, oh my goodness, I can't even lift. Oh y'all, once you put it in place, you have to make sure that you got it there. You see that? You really have to make sure that you got it there. And wow, this is like quick. Okay. Wow, y'all, the hold is quick. It's really quick. So I'm gonna go ahead on and let this dry a little bit. It says about a minute. I don't want to sit on here. I'm gonna let it dry because you see now it is like little spots of the little color that I have right here. So I'm gonna let it dry a little bit and then I'll come back. Hey beauties, I have applied my makeup and I have put the baby hairs down to the way I like it. If you want smaller baby hairs, then I suggest you to go ahead on and do it the way you like it. But let me tell you something, honey. This hold is immaculate. Do you see? Oh my, look. Do you see that? She ain't going nowhere. Look how this hair is, honey. She is so bouncy, curly. What? J Baby feel like she got a life on with this wig. I love this wig. Now, because I have removed the Esha firm for you, I'm not going to remove the Esha Absolute. It's basically the same way, but you just take your spray and I spray it on for like 5 minutes. Let it sit, guys. Once you do that, you are fine. You are so fine after that. Now, I'm going to wear this wig all day. This wig, look at this, honey. Honey, 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 honey. Honey, yes. This wig is so beautiful. This is the Utopia wig. And basically, I got a confession to make, y'all. Because the other day I went on and I wanted to wear my colorful wig and it was like really, really hot. And I was like, I need to use the Esha Absolute because I need to actually find out if this really gonna hold. Let me tell you, I tried it, and when I tried it, honey, this wig, I could not get it off. So that's how I know. Let it set about 3 to 5 minutes, y'all. Probably I let mine set 5 minutes, and when I did, I was like, oh, I hope that my lace wig don't get messed up. That was my colorful mermaid one. Let me tell you, y'all, that once I did it and I use it, my wig is not messed up. So the Esha firm is for 2-day or 1-day hold if that's what you want. But the Esha Absolute, honey, let me tell you about this Esha Absolute. That is for me. You hear me? So I did try, y'all. I apologize, but I'm not going to take this wig off today. I'm going outside and enjoy this air. Look at this wig. Look, I mean, you can fluff this wig out to how you want it. You know what I mean? I mean, it's just gorgeous. It's for your grown and sexy honey. Now, these are this is the glue I used today. The Esha, not Esha. It's Esha Absolute. And this is the Firm. So, these are the ones that I have tried out. This is a 1 day to a 2 day casual hold. This one right here is the bomb diggity. Here, you can have this wig on. You can do your relations. You can do anything you want to do in this wig. And this wig is not going to go anywhere. You heard me. Now, this Esha in the remover can be purchased at your local beauty hair store. I don't know if the Janet collection has it in there yet, but you can purchase them there. So I'm going to put the links in the meantime, that way you can order it online. But if you look at my other video, you'll see that I have the links to the Esha Firm, but and also the Absolute and the remover there. So I'm going to put them all again there. Now I'm going to also require about this wig. I'm going to tell y'all it's the Utopia wig, but if you want to basically purchase this wig, I'm going to have to wait for her to give me like a link or something. You know, if hopefully you ladies can wait, because I'm gonna tell you this wig is like bomb. So let me do like a 360 for you so you can see what this, well, not a 360 because the wall right here, y'all, but yes, honey, yes, this is summertime ready. Summertime ready. You heard me. Summertime ready wig. I love this wig. Yes, baby. This is a little juicy wig. A little juicy wig, honey. But this Esha Absolute is no joke. It's nothing to play with. Once you lay this hair, please do not move it, because it's not going to move. You will take hair if you try to lift it, because this is not, I'm telling you, I'm pulling, I'm tugging. This is not going anywhere. This wig is on here and I love it. But anyway, I'm going to get out of here. I just came to show y'all the Esha Absolute, and I didn't intend it to be a movie. So be blessed and not stressed. And your girl, J Baby, she is signing off. Oh, I got to do my bottom lashes. I came with makeup and everything. I ain't even do my bottom lashes, y'all. Anyway, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah. Girl, yeah.